channel. So your wishes have always been my command. I have seen couple of you commenting on my previous YouTube videos that you want a makeup tutorial on my channel as well. So I created this really nice pinky orange kind of wearable look. I really like it, and I am even even I'm thinking to start a wearable series where I will show you all the wearable looks that you can wear out and just rock the event or rock wherever you're going. So yes, I hope you guys will enjoy this look because I really like that how this look has been turned out. And yeah, I hope you guys like it as well. So if you want to know that how you can get this look, then please keep on watching. Let's get started with the tutorial. Now using this tape for that sharp edges. Now using concealer onto my lids as a primer. Now taking this color board palette and now setting up the concealer. Now taking up this reddy orangey kind of shade and will build in into my crease on both the eyes obviously. Then I will take this pinky shade and will also put it into my crease. Now I will be taking up this brown shade for that extra warmth into my crease. Then I will be taking up this sparkly shade, like a pink goldeny sparkly shade. I know it's looking like little golden, but it was pink. So yes, and after that I will blending in all the harsh edges, and now I will be drawing like a wing liner because I thought only eyeshadow was looking little suka, so I thought of adding a liner into my look. Now I will be using this mascara from I think Essence. Yeah, it's Essence Big Lashes mascara, and using this red cherry lashes, and I really like that how natural they are. Now taking this Essence charcoal primer. I really like this primer, like it has charcoal in it and it feels super moisturizing and it fills up our pores pretty well. Now I am just blending the primer into my skin. Now taking this baby skin primer for that illuminating effect, and will be applying it onto the outside of my face like cheeks, forehead and all, and we'll be blending it with the same brush. Now moving on to foundation, taking this Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. I've been really liking this foundation. I think I'm using it second or third time, but I've been really enjoying this foundation. So yeah, I'm just blending it into my skin. Now for concealer, I will be taking up the LA Pro Conceal concealer and will be applying it like so, like onto my inner corners and onto the outer edges. I've recently learned this technique. I've seen so many people doing this. Like I first saw it on Shreya Jain's channel, so I thought of trying it and it really looks good. So yeah, I'm just blending in all the concealer into my skin, and blending is the key. Just take your time in blending, as I always say. Now we'll take this Wet n Wild contour palette, and we'll take that setting powder to set all my concealed areas, and yeah, setting up all the areas really nicely so that they don't crease or we don't have oil. Now taking the same palette for contouring as well, and yeah, contouring all the usual areas, nose, chin, cheekbones and all. Now I will be taking up this Flower Beauty blush, and oh my god, this blush is so pretty. Like इसको देख के लगता नहीं है कि इसमें इतनी pigment होगी, but seriously it's very pretty. Now taking this Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Hustla Baby. I really like this highlighter. It's very goldeny silver tone highlighter, and applying it onto all my usual areas as you can see. And for brows, I'm taking this Etude House brow pencil, and I filled my brows today a little differently and a little boldly, I would say, because I don't know, I was feeling like to do so. So yeah, you can see that how bold I made my brows. So yeah, now I will be just combing them with the help of the spoolie, and now I will move on to eyes again, and I will be taking up this coppery gold pencil, and I will be putting that into my waterline, and now taking the highlighter and highlighting my inner corners and brow bone. And now using this Nykaa mattelicious crayon, and voila, we are almost done. And setting up my face with this Nicka K perfect matte setting spray. And yeah, we are done with this look. I really like that how this look has turned out. I'm so impressed. So yeah, that's that for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram because I share some really different content over there. And yeah, if you ever recreate this look, do post it on Instagram and tag me. I would love to repost your photos, videos, whatever you recreate. I would love to repost them. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye. Mwah.